The ELENKER All-Terrain Rollator Walker is designed with 12-inch solid polyurethane tires that are non-pneumatic and explosion-proof, making it ideal for navigating diverse outdoor surfaces like grass and gravel. Its compact folding design allows for easy storage and transportation, fitting seamlessly into most car trunks, which is perfect for those who love to travel. The dual braking system, which includes a squeeze to slow and push down to lock feature, offers enhanced control and safety, especially when sitting. This rollator walker is equipped with a convenient zipper storage bag, cane holder, and cup holder, ensuring that all essential items are within easy reach and leaving the user's hands free. Each walker is thoroughly tested before leaving the factory, ensuring quality and reliability, and is backed by 24-hour friendly email customer service. With a focus on quality and convenience, the ELENKER All-Terrain Rollator Walker stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking mobility aids.